Hey, welcome to Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be drawing a spooky forest. The first step for a spooky forest is to draw a circle like this. That'll be the top of the pumpkin stem. 2 lines going out. You can kind of make it curved. No pumpkin is the same, so it's okay to be a little wiggly like this with the curve. And then on the other side, same thing, just put a curve. I'm trying to make it go all the way around and touch the other side. Looks good. Now at the top, let's just draw like a wavy line. Just like this. Then in the middle, we're going to try to draw the face. I'm going to draw mine kind of spooky. You could do yours a little different, smiling, whatever. This one kind of looks like an M at first with a line at the bottom. Make that line. Go up, down, and up. Kind of like a little M with the line at the bottom again. Looks like it's carved out a jack-o'-lantern. The nose just like a little carrot. And right there, looks good. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm just going to make these kind of jagged lines. This one's going to be another tooth. The jagged lines go up and out. Really, there's no right way to carve a pumpkin. I'm going to go out a bit so it looks like it's a big smile. Make it curved. Make these jagged points again, just kind of random, just like you would carve out a pumpkin. And curve up to a smile. That looks great. Now let's make the pumpkin lines. I'm just going to go all the way down with the curve. Start right here at the top. And you can kind of go through it because we're going to eventually color those in black anyways. So just go right through your lines. If you want to go around, that's fine too. Make another line here. And then color that in. Color, color, color. Color, color, color. And then this whole mouth section also color, color, color. See how the lines are going away? So it's up to you. Color, color, color. Get that nose. We'll do the rest of the mouth. Color, color, color. There we go, almost done. Love it. There's our jack-o'-lantern. We're going to start to make right about here. Start making that big, big, big circle almost to the top. There we go. Just kind of like a big curve. On the other side, try to match it just like this. So it kind of looks like our pumpkin sticking out. Now at the top, bring it around. Perfect. Let's start working on the tree. For the tree, we're going to put it on the side with a line. And then come down with the line right here. Okay, now at the top, make a curve in. And then we're going to start to make the branches. Again, there's no right way to make a tree branch. They're kind of all over the place. Here's one right here. I'm going to go out, kind of make wiggly lines. And up, up, up. You can go past the circle. We're going to color it in anyways. I made a point. Kind of like jagged marks for the branches. Really sharp marks. There we go. We're going to go out. It's going to be another branch right here. Up. Back in. Up. Kind of pointed at the top. And then we're going to bring it to make a little point. There we go. Make another branch. It's going to be pointed also. There's another point. Bring it around and go down. There's a branch. I'm going to start about here. Go down, down. And this branch is going to be hanging off the side of the other one. So just kind of go in, and I'm just making kind of random lines, like zigzag lines, like a Z, and then follow the same line that you made and go in. There's my little Z mark, and then point it off at the top. Bring that around. We're going to make jagged marks, little zigzags. And at the bottom, zigzag, zigzag. And then make a point at the end. And close up your tree. That looks great. Now let's put a little spooky bat right here. For the bat, let's start by going up like this. Make a curve like a U. Make another U right here. And connect that line. Come in and go up. Around. Go around again. This is the side of the wing. Make a little C shape. A bump that goes way down. Up. A little curve. And that C shape again. There's a bat. Now you can leave it like this. I'm going to put one more bat up here. Make a C, little U shape. There we go. Go up. And I want to kind of touch the circle there. Go out. Out. This bat's going to be kind of flying on the side. Curve. Curve. Around. That looks good. Around and connect. That looks great. Now we're going to color it in. Please stay and color with me. I hope you enjoyed drawing also with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for brand new drawings. I'll see you later. Bye.